Sairam, one and all. In the first lesson, a hero, we have the grammar section, that is enrich your vocabulary, page number 10, that is homophones. Okay? Homophones. Now, what are the homophones? So, there is a meaning there. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. So, what is a homophone? Homophone are a group of words which have different spelling, different meaning and pronunciation same. Correct? Root is also different. So, these are called homophones. Remember, very important. Now, for example, what are the homophones? Two. Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. For example, this one, I go to school. Two. Next one, or this one, whichever, I have 2 pens. So, how do they ask in the examination? We have dash papers. So, in the paragraph, in the bracket, they will give 2. So, which one should we select? We have 2 papers, wrong. We have 2 papers. 2. It's a way of doing the exercises. Then, week. Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. So, how to use those words in a sentence? Now, we should select one of these 2 words. Last week, idu vara, idu durbala. Strong and opposite idu. Weak, strong. Idu vara. Hagadre yavudella? Last week idagalla. Last week, this one. Correct? Then, pray. Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. That is called homophones. So, how to use this? Now, the sentence is, deer became a dash to the tiger. Now, what is the meaning? Here, pray means prarthane. We pray every day. This one is spelling. Prayer is a must. This one is a spelling. Then this one, prey, means bete. Prey means bete. So, which one is a suitable word here? This one or this one? Yeah, this one. Pray. Correct? So, these are called homophones. Now, one more. Fourth one. bear, bear. Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. Bear, bear. So what is the meaning? I cannot dash this weather. I cannot dash this weather. So which one we should fill here? I cannot. So what is the meaning of this one? Bear, sahisu. Bearable, unbearable, opposite word. Bear means sahisu antaitu. This one bear means barefooted. Correct? Barefooted. Chappali hakade iruvantaddu. Correct? So bare means baridu anta artha, khali anta, illade. Barefooted anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹಾಕದಂತಹ ಪಾದಕ. So here, which one is a suitable? Unbearable, intolerable, cannot bear. So here, bear, this one. I cannot bear, sahislikke agudilla, this weather. These are all homophones. Now see one more. Steel, S-T-E-E-L, S-T-E-A-L. Pronunciation same, spelling different. What is steel? ಇದು ಉಕ್ಕು, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. ಇದು ಕದಿಯು. Correct? So how to frame? So which one should we insert here? Why did you steal the pen? Which one? ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ. STEAL. ಯಾಕೆ ಕದ್ದದ್ದು ನೀನು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6th one. Root, root, spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. So what is a sentence? For the problem is poverty. ಬಡತನ ಅದರ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಇದು ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಾರಿ, ದ ವೇ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್. ಇದು ದಾರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಗ, ರೂಟ್. ನನಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ರೂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದದು? ರೂಟ್ ಕೆನಲ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್, root of the plant, rooted out, ಇದು ಬೇರು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಸ್, ಪೀಸ್, PEACE, PIECE. Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. So what is the peace? India is a dash loving country. Which one should we insert there? Here peace means PEACE, Shanti. Here peace means chalk piece, tundu, tunuku ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So India is a ಯಾವುದು? Peace loving country. Correct? Now shall I give one more? Right, right, right. WRIGHT, right, right. Or WRITE, Spelling different, meaning different, pronunciation same. I use dash hand to write. Which one should we use? Right hand. ಬಲಗೈ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಗೈ ಬಳಸ್ತೇನೆ. Right. So they are called homophones. I think you got. Now I will give you some more examples. You frame the sentence. Okay? Number 1. Fair. Number 2. Fair means beautiful. Fair here bus fare. Father gave me the bus fare. Use it. Okay. Number 2. QUIET and QUIT. Quite. Teacher asked me to keep dash. Do it. Number 3. Quiet means ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. This one means very. Then 3. Here. Pronunciation same. I cannot dash. Here ಇದು ಕೇಳು. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next 4. Meet. I want to meet dash my friend. Meet ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗು. Met past participle. Here meet means ಮಾಂಸ. Next 5. CAUGHT. Caught. So frame your own sentence. Okay. Here caught means catch present, caught past participle. Ball ಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು. Here caught means what we used to sleep on. Correct? Caught. Mancha. Then next 6. Sea. Here sea means samudra. Sea means nodu. Select. Number 7. Soul. Here soul means atma. Soul means lonely, alone. Next 8. Correct? You got. I'll tell the sentence. He is the sole trustee of the institution. Write it. Okay. Next one. New. I'll tell the sentence. He knew the answer. Which one? Right. Next 9. No means ತಿಳಿಯು. No means ಇಲ್ಲ. I know the answer. Which no do you use there? Next, 10. Principle, principle, principle and principle. Spelling different, meaning different. L-E-P-A-L, A-L. Here principle means principal tattva. Principal A-L, head of the institution. Correct? Principal head of the institution. Okay? Then next, 11th one. Break, break. Here break means odeyu. Break. Here break means don't break the glass. This one. The vehicle has no brake. This one. ಇದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದರ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ಬ್ರೋಕ್, ಬ್ರೋಕನ್. ಇದರ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಡ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಡ್. ಇದು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಉಂಟು, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12, ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೆಲೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಹುಮಾನ. ಹಿ ವನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಥರ್ಟೀನ್, ಲೂಸ್, ಲೂಸ್. L-O-S-E, L-O-S-E. ಲೂಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಟ್. ಹಿ ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲೂಸ್ ಶರ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಇದು ಲೂಸ್. ಐ ಲೂಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಇದು ಇದು ಲೂಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಟ್. ಲೂಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 14th, ಟೇಲ್, ಟೇಲ್. ಡಾಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಲ್, ಬಾಲ. ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ನೈಸ್ ಟೇಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕತೆ. 15, ಸಮ್, 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 ಸಮ್. ಸಮ್ ಕೆಲವು. Some people came, some students answered. Some means lekka. The student solved the sum. I think clear. Then there, there. There means ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The book is there. ಇದು there means ಅವರ. Their work is satisfactory. Correct? Then next 17. Last, 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 last. Last means ಕೊನೆಯದ್ದು. This is the last warning, like that. I lost the pen. ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಇದು next. I think it's clear. Yeah, now one more item in the question paper is very important and very easy. Item is, grammar item is, that is using a word first as noun and then as verb. Correct? In your own sentences. A word can be used both as verb and noun. Sometimes they can be used as adjective also. So a word can work in different way. So here we can take some examples. What are they? Number one, answer. Answer. We can use this word as noun and verb. How? See, as a noun, very easy. I know the answer. It's a noun. ನಾಮಪದ ಇದು ಉತ್ತರ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಐ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಬ್ ಐ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವೆಲ್ I answer well. Correct sentence. Very simple sentence. Don't make lengthy sentences. Okay? So there is a possibility of making mistakes or errors. I answer well. ಉತ್ತರಿಸು. ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. For sentence. Next, second one. Question. Question. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. If it is used as a noun, then it becomes prashne. I answer the question. Noun, ನಾಮಪದ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆದರೆ ದೇ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಸ್. So we should be careful. Correct? Question, prashnisu. Very easy. Correct? Number 3. Guard. Guard or sleep. We shall take easy words. Sleep. If it is used as noun, nidde. I got good sleep. Noun ಆಯಿತು. ಎಂಥ ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಅಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if it is used as a verb, I sleep well. My friend sleeps. Present tense. Correct? Next, fourth one. Thought. Noun. Thought noun ಆದರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ. Good thoughts develop good mind. Thought, ಯೋಚನೆ. If it is a verb, I thought, past tense of think, I thought it is correct. I thought it is correct. Next, 5. Worry. Correct? Then now, worry chinte. It is a worry. It is a worry for him. Next, if it is a word, don't worry. Don't worry. Next, 6. Turn. T-U-R-N. Noun. Turn, noun means curve. Correct? Change ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Curve ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. There is a turn ahead, or simply it is a turn. Next verb, they turn. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಥಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೌನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಥಾಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ವರ್ಬ್, ಐ ಥಾಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವರಿ is a verb. Like that. Then seventh one, respect. Respect. Simple. It is a respect. Noun ಆಯ್ತು. He had respect in the society. Noun. He has respect in the society. Simple sentence, it is a respect. Verb ಆದರೆ, if it is a verb, they respect us. ಆಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಆನರ್, HONOUR, ಆನರ್. ನೌನ್ ಆದರೆ ಗೌರವ. It is an honor. Finish. They have high honor. Correct, noun. Then, if it is a verb, they honor. Finish. Everyone honors him. Is it clear? Yeah. Now I'll give you some words. Use them in sentences, first as noun and then as verb. Okay? Conduct. 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 Conduct noun, conduct verb. Spelling same. Then next 10. Cover. Noun and verb. Cover. Cover means, then 11th one. Face. Noun and verb. 11th one. Smile. 13. Watch. 14. Appoint. 15. Award. 16. Cheat. 17. Decide. Decide verb, decision noun. Here also appoint verb, appointment noun. 18. Present. 19. Dream. 20. Play. 21. Love. 22. Look. I think you can frame sentences for these words. There are many other words and I will send those words in how? Through WhatsApp, okay? Sai Ram.